I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to enable iCloud Photos and start syncing right now. First, sign in to the same Apple ID across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac so everything can communicate. Once signed in, connect to Wi-Fi, and if you have many items, plug the device into power to avoid interruptions. Open Settings or System Settings, go to Photos, and turn on iCloud Photos. Make a storage choice. Optimize for device space or download originals for full resolution backups. Once iCloud Photos is on, watch the upload status in the Photos app. Icons and a progress bar tell you what's happening. If uploads pause, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and background app refresh is allowed. On cellular, enable upload using cellular if needed. You can check iCloud. Com to confirm photos arrived and to remove local copies to save device storage. Also review shared albums and your storage plan. Upgrade if you're near capacity so syncing won't stall. To finish, verify each device displays the same library and note the last updated time to confirm completion. If items are missing or uploads are stuck, try simple fixes first. Restart the device, sign out and back into iCloud, or toggle iCloud Photos off then on. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage and a reliable network before more invasive steps. If problems persist, export important files locally. Then contact Apple support with specific error messages and device details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.